Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to put a TikTok in slow motion on your Snapchat. So let's start. First, open the TikTok app. Now go to your profile from bottom right corner. Now select the video you want to put in slow motion on Snapchat. And to download this video, tap on three dots and tap Save Video. And the video will be downloaded to your camera roll. Now close the TikTok app and open your Snapchat app. Now swipe up and tap on camera roll and select the video you have just downloaded. Now tap on three dots on top right corner and tap on Edit Snap. Now you have to swipe left. When the snail icon pops on your screen, you'll see that your video has turned into slow-mo. Now tap on the blue button on bottom right corner and add it to your story or send to a friend. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.